How to change email on Fiverr account. So here is a clear step-by-step guide to change the email address on your Fiverr account. So let's get started. First of all, go to the fiverr.com and log into your account. Then all you have to do is click on your profile picture or avatar at the top right corner of your screen. Then once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. Then all you have to do is from the drop-down, select settings option available there. In the settings menu, you will land on the account settings tab by default. Now in there you can see the email address option available. Now all you have to do is tap on the email address and type down the email address you want to choose. Now type the new email you want to use and Fiverr will send a verification email to your new email address. And open your new email box and find the Fiverr verification email and click the verification link inside. And after verification, your Fiverr account email will be updated. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.